In the previous video, we talked about Canva's Magic Studio and how tools like Background Remover and Background Generator can help you quickly change or replace the background of an image. And today, we're going to continue exploring Magic Studio by looking at two more powerful tools, Magic Eraser and Magic Grab. These tools are great when you want more control over specific objects inside an image, whether that means removing something completely or isolating it so you can edit it separately. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel, then choose any canvas size that matches your project. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Upload section and add the photo you want to edit. After placing the image onto your canvas, select it and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then click Edit. This will open the editing panel on the left side where you'll find the Magic Studio tools. Let's start with Magic Eraser. This tool allows you to manually remove unwanted parts of an image using a brush. Once you click on Magic Eraser, adjust the brush size and simply paint over the object you want to remove. Canva will automatically erase the selected area and blend it with the surrounding background. This works great for removing distractions like objects, text, or anything that doesn't belong in the photo. Next is Magic Grab. Unlike Magic Eraser, this tool doesn't remove objects from the image. Instead, it lets you grab or isolate an object from the photo and turn it into a separate element. Once you activate Magic Grab, Canva will detect objects in the image and allow you to select the one you want to isolate. After the object is grabbed, you can move it around, resize it, or reposition it anywhere on your canvas, just like a regular design element. This is useful if you want to highlight a subject or rearrange parts of your image. So the main difference between these two tools is simple. Magic Eraser removes objects from an image, while Magic Grab separates objects so you can edit them individually. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. With Magic Eraser and Magic Grab, you can clean up photos, isolate subjects, and gain much more control over your designs directly inside Canva without needing advanced editing software. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.